Dr. Yashni Naidu. This week, we are hosting the KAPA DNA Library Preparation Training at the Center for Epidemic Response and Innovation at Stellenbosch University in collaboration with Roche Diagnostics. We bring together 10 talented participants from different African laboratories who are all eager to learn on next-generation sequencing in genetics and oncology. At CERI, we believe that collaboration and knowledge sharing are key components in addressing Africa's healthcare challenges. This training was designed to address a crucial gap: the need for accessible, hands-on training in advanced genomic techniques. At CERI, we are committed to building capacity across Africa, and this collaboration with Roche allowed us to empower participants with cutting-edge tools to improve healthcare and research outcomes in their communities.
Hi, my name is Leonard Vermeulen and I'm from the Roche Customer Service Center in Mannheim in the Sequencing Solutions Group. And these last 2 days, I trained several people from countries in Africa on the library preparation with our super new kit, KAPA EvoPlus V2. So next to this theory, you also have hands-on time in the lab. We worked with this kit, but also explaining in the classroom what steps to take, how to do the calculations, to be precise in their pipetting, and it's wonderful to teach them how to do this library preparation. Roche Diagnostics is very proud to be partnering with CERI on these very important initiatives. Africa has unique challenges in also incorporating genomics in healthcare, and therefore it's super important to train those people as well. We recognize infectious disease is big, but also the oncology and human genetics. It's a new era within the African labs, and I love to train them. I'm so happy to be here, and I hope they will learn from this and spread the word about using this technique in their labs and in their countries.
My name is Voke Toye. I'm the founder of Biologics Laboratories Nigeria. This training has been a fantastic training, and I'd like to thank Roche and CERI. I'm leaving here very motivated to continue to push the boundaries of precision medicine back home in Nigeria.
Hi, I'm Bianca Sansom. I'm from the Genway Laboratories in South Africa, Pretoria, and I've really thoroughly enjoyed the training. Excited to see how the development of library prep has changed, making it quicker and easier for scientists to improve their workflow in the laboratory.
This is the first collaborative effort between Roche and CERI towards capacity building in genomics and oncology in Africa. So towards this collaboration, the aim is to increase the people that are able to do the tests within their respective countries. We look forward to more of these collaborations to increase the knowledge as well as the skills within the different countries in terms of testing for these diseases.
This training was brought together by Roche Diagnostics in collaboration with the Center for Epidemic Response and Innovation.